Good morning, students. In the last class, we have discussed about abacus, right? That with the help of abacus, we can do calculations. Okay? We can also find out the number. So today we will discuss about face value and place value of a number. Okay? So if any 4-digit number is there, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. This number is 4-digit number because here 4 numbers are there, right? So if I colored one number in blue, okay, and if I ask you, now you tell me what will be the face value, okay, of this number, okay, the number that is in blue, what will be the face value? So you will tell what? 2 will be the face value. That means whatever the number that will be highlighted, right, that number will be the face value. Okay, now can you tell me the place value of 2? Okay, so place value will start from this one. So ones, tens, 100, and this one will be what? 1000. So here 2 stands where? In 100 place, right? So the face value of 2 will be what? 100. Okay. So face value is the number, okay, which is highlighted in the question. Okay, if question is asking about that particular number, that will be the face value. Okay, and the position of the number will be what? Place value. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now suppose this one is another number. Okay, now if I ask you what is the face value, so you will tell what? 8 is the face value because here 8 is highlighted, right? But if I ask you what is the place value, instead of writing 100, 1000, anything, okay, we'll first of all see the place, okay, then I will tell you what we have to do. So we'll mark this one ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 8 stands in 1000 place. Okay, so how we'll write 1000? Like this, 130. Okay, as 8 stands in 1000 place, so we'll show 8 with 30. This means 8 is standing in 1000 place. Okay, if I am asking about the 2, so 8, 2, 7, 6. If I ask you about the 2, the place value of 2, so 2 is stand in 100 place. So 100 having 20, so we'll write 2 place value as 200. Okay, if I'm asking about the 7, so we'll write 7, and this stands in tens place. 10 having 10, so we'll put 10. Okay, and there will be no change in ones place. Okay, whatever the number that will be in ones place, the place value will be the same only. Okay, will not put any 0. Okay students, now we'll do our second exercise. First question that is given, fill in the place values. So you have to fill the place value. So 1 is done for you, this one. As you can see, 8, it stands in ones place, so we'll write only 8. 4 stands in tens place, so we'll put 10 with 4. 3 stands in 100 place, so we'll put 20 with 3. And 6 stands in 1000 place, so we'll write 30 with 6. Okay, this is how we have to write the place value of these number. So now see B part. So as you can see, 3, it stands in where? This one is ones, tens, 100, and this will be what? 1000. So 3 stands in ones place, so we'll write only 3. Nothing will change, right? Now 8, it stands in tens place, so we'll write what? 8 with 0. Okay. 7 stands in 100 place, so we'll write 7 with 20 because 100 having 20. Now 1 stands in 1000 place, so we'll write 1 and we'll give 30. Okay, if you have any confusion on this topic, let me tell you another way of doing this one. Okay, how we can find out the place value of any number. Okay, so just remember, suppose C part, 6 is there, so 6 stands in ones place. Ones means 1, tens means 10, 100 means 100, and 1000 means 1000, right? So now 6, we just multiply 6 with 1. Okay, it will be 6 only. If we multiply 2 with 10, it will be 20. If I multiplied 4 with 100, it will be what? Just add 20. So just write 4 and give 20. Okay, and if I multiply it with 1000, it will be like this. Okay, I think this method is very easy for you, right, rather than this method. So you just choose which method you want to apply here. Okay, and you have to do D part by your own. Okay, and you have to do this one in your copy. Okay. Okay students, now we'll see second question. Write the numerals. Okay, so with the help of this place value, we have to write the numerals, the number. Okay, so as you can see, 8 is there, so we'll write 8 here, right, because it stands where? In ones place. 3 having 1 0, that means it is in tens place, so we'll write 3 here. Now this 3 having 20, so it is in 100 place, so we'll write 3 here. Okay, now this 8 having 30, so it stands where? In 1000 place, so we'll write 8 here. This is how you have to do this one. Okay, one more I will do. See D number. Okay, now see, this one is 0. Okay, 0 means nothing is there. If nothing is there, then we'll put 0. Second also 0 is there, again we'll put 0. Third also 0 is there, so we'll put 0. Now here 3 zeros are there with 3, that means 3000. So 30, it implies what? 1000 place, so we'll write 3 here. So your answer will be what? 3000. Okay, so this B part and C part you will do in your classwork copy. Okay, by your own. Okay. Okay students, now let's move to third number question. So here, write the place and place value of the digit in color. So one digit is written in red color, right, red ink. So we have to write that particular digit's place and place value. Okay, so first number it is what? 2436. Now 3 is highlighted in red color. Okay, so first of all, as you can see, place will be what? As we know that ones then tens will come, so tens place is there, and the place value will be what? How we will write this one? We'll write 3 and 1 0. Okay, this is how we have to write. Okay, now see the next question. Here 7198 and 8 is highlighted here, right? So 8 stands where? 8 stands in ones place, so we'll write ones here. Okay, and as it is placed in ones place, so the place value will be what? Same, 8 only. Okay, now see this question. Okay, so 3107 and 1 is written in red color, right? So the place of this 1 will be what? We'll count from this ones, tens, 100. So 1 stands in 100 place, so the place will be what? 100. Okay, and the place value will be what? We'll write 1 with 20. Okay, so the place value of 1 will be 100. Okay, this is how you have to do this one. Okay, so E, D and F, you will do it by your own, and this one will be your classwork for today. Okay, so that much only. In our next class, we will discuss about expanded form. Okay, how we can expand any 4-digit number. Okay, so till then, do all these things, whatever I told you, you just do these things in your classwork copy. Okay, with neat handwriting. Okay.